Okay guys, I will build a Lego. Just right now. I will show you this. I'm hacking in and this is Delta. Z-Hub. This is Z-Hub. Look. I'm in Rabbit. Yeah. This is my Lego. Look. Lego. We will build 6-7 because 6-7 is popular. I will use this blue because I don't have like this. Like this blue. I don't have that blue. I will use this. Now the 6 is done. I will build the 7 now. The 7 is look like stairs. Okay, I will build past.
Gawin na.
Six, seven, 6-7.